Hello everyone. So today we are back with another video, and this time it is for a home renovation company. They are in Australia. In this video we will examine all the strategies, tools that we have used in our Google AdWords account, setup and management of the campaigns, and how we have gotten them the leads and good ROI from the very beginning. So now our client is basically they have good experience. They are like a family owned and operated business from the last 15 years, but they didn't have much online presence, and hence they were not spending very highly on the Google AdWords. So we have sent them the plan to make sure that we are showing the ads only in the local area, and by using the local strategies we have been able to get them the leads from the very first month. And we have started with them with a specific budget at first because they were reluctant to spend a lot of money from the very first month. But after seeing the returns that they get from Google AdWords, we have been able to get the budget up gradually from $500 to $1,000 and now to the $1,500 from the second month onwards. We will now discuss all the strategies that we follow and what are all the things that we have done in our campaign to make them successful. The main challenges that we have faced in this is the competition in that local area. Their past history, the cost per conversion from them was very high, and they didn't have much online presence at all. So we have devised out a strategy wherein we have tried to focus on the branding and try to focus on bringing them the direct leads so that they are able to get their business going easily. So now the next step is how we started. So as we always do, we always start with the competitor benchmarking. We are able to see what kind of landing pages that the competitors are using and what kind of keywords that the competitors are using. So we have been able to get the relevant keywords out of those lists. So now again, so as they have very limited budget, so we have tried to go with the high intent based keywords rather than the keywords with the search volume, because at the end of the day we don't want the visitor who is very early in their research. We don't want those kind of visitors to click on our ad copy. We want the visitor who are actually looking for the service right now. Second thing was the landing page or the website which the client had. The website was not good at all. The call to actions was not there on the website, and the landing page was very weak. So we have done the competitor benchmarking. We have been able to see the competitors landing page as well, and that's how we have been able to get some good ideas in this field on what exactly that we should be doing to bring us the quality leads. So for the complete strategy of the campaigns and how we got started, we have started with the keyword research. We have seen that there was some keywords which they were earlier using but that didn't make any sense, and they were wasting the money. So we have done the keyword research from scratch. We have been able to get around 50 to 75 high intent keywords so that we can get the quality leads. We have written the ad copies, and then we have sent the keywords and the ad copies in a Google Doc to the client for their review, because the client know the business better than us at that stage. So they were able to give us some inputs whether the keywords or the ad copies they are relevant or not, and once that is done we were able to get started on a right foot. Third thing was that we have been able to make sure that the landing page is from PPC perspective and it has all the call to actions. So we have been able to do that, and we were able to get them the good quality clicks to that landing page, and the leads automatically came. The fourth thing was that we have done them a video for the branding purpose. wherein they have shoot us a video of doing their work when they were in the field. They were doing some live work on any project, so we have modified or customized that video for the branding purpose using the YouTube ads. Once all this is done, we have done the optimization of the campaign by using the best PPC practices. We have made sure that the quality of the clicks that we are getting, they are relevant, and we are paying the lowest possible CPC, and of course catering the ad to the right kind of audience. We have done these things and we have been able to see the leads automatically. So now in the third month, we have seen a good results from the campaign. We had the spend of almost $3,000 in the third month, and we have been able to see 80 leads in that $3,000 spend. The cost per lead seems to be around $35 to $40. So now the client did mention the fact that the quality of the leads for almost we can say around 85 to 90% of them, they have contacted them. They have been able to send them the free estimates. So the client is very happy right now, and they are looking to expand their further on some other platforms like the Facebook or the Microsoft ads. So we will be sending them the plan on this, and once we see good results from Google in the coming days, we will be looking to ramping up their spend gradually further. So if you have any Google AdWords account that you think that they are not going well, you can contact us for the free audit, and we will let you know what you are doing and what we need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. On the other side of things, if you don't have any Google AdWords or any PPC account running, you can still share with us your website URL and the estimated monthly budget that you want to spend. Then we can do some research, and then we'll be able to get back to you with the proposal on how you can maximize the returns in your business from the campaigns. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon.